Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto and wallet reviews. All links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This comparison reflects my personal experience using these wallets. Choosing the right crypto wallet depends on your individual needs and priorities. In this video, we'll compare Guarda wallet and Jaxx Liberty, highlighting their features, target users, and key differences to help you determine the best fit. Guarda wallet presents a non-custodial, multi-platform solution designed for managing diverse crypto portfolios. Supporting over 50 blockchains and thousands of cryptocurrencies, Guarda offers impressive versatility. Accessibility is a key strength, with options including a mobile app, desktop client, web wallet, and browser extension. This flexibility allows you to access your funds conveniently from various devices. Guarda also boasts several integrated features, such as a built-in exchange, staking options for a range of assets, and importantly, integration with hardware wallets for enhanced security. Because Guarda is non-custodial, you retain full control of your private keys, ensuring a high level of security and independence. Its clean and intuitive interface makes it approachable for beginners, while advanced functionalities like token creation and in-depth asset management cater to experienced crypto enthusiasts. Jaxx Liberty, on the other hand, prioritizes user-friendliness, aiming to simplify crypto management for beginners and casual users. Supporting over 80 cryptocurrencies, it provides an intuitive interface and cross-platform compatibility across mobile, desktop, and browser extensions. Jaxx Liberty integrates an exchange powered by Shapeshift, facilitating easy swaps between assets. A helpful portfolio tracking tool and a newsfeed are also included within the app, keeping users informed about market trends and news. However, it's important to note that Jaxx Liberty is a hot wallet and does not offer hardware wallet integration, which may be a concern for users seeking maximum security. While Jaxx Liberty is generally secure and includes standard backup options, users do not have direct control over their private keys, a potential limitation for those who prioritize decentralization. To summarize, Guarda wallet is best suited for users who require comprehensive features like staking, hardware wallet integration, and multi-platform access. It's an ideal choice for serious investors managing a variety of assets. Jaxx Liberty, with its streamlined interface and built-in tools, is better tailored to beginners and casual users who value simplicity and convenience. If robust functionality and top-tier security are your priorities, Guarda wallet emerges as the stronger choice. If you prefer a straightforward experience with portfolio tracking and ease of use, Jaxx Liberty stands out. Check the links in the description below to explore these wallets further and make an informed decision.